video we will cover a lot of aspects, and also the topic of designing a presentation is a really crucial and important one, so I would really like to encourage you to review this lecture until you're really practiced and until you've understood the whole concept of designing the presentation. So for the beginning, I'd like to point out that there are three basic ways to design your presentation. The first one is use basic templates of PowerPoint. Second is design your own template. And the third one is use a professional template that you can download online. So there are these three ways, and the one we focus on will be the second one, designing our own template. This is here the company presentation. It is all saved. And now we can start with the design. Anything related to design in PowerPoint can be found under the Design tab. So click on it, and then you will see some basic options to choose from. So here on the left you can find some themes, or you can also call it templates, the basic templates of PowerPoint. You can open this list and choose the one you find most attractive. However, I would really like to encourage you to not use any of these, or not use them all the time, because they are very plain ones, very basic ones. Especially when you're presenting on a stage, when you're presenting to people, then it is not really a good idea to use a basic template. But for now we can test it. We can just choose a random one here. So this template is based on an orange color, and it's darker than usual. So you could also, for example, choose a white template. Sometimes what you can find in PowerPoint is that there are some variants to choose from. So a lot of these basic templates can be customized a little bit. So I can change it into green. So everything changes now. This is possible under the variants. So now I have applied the changes, and you see something has changed. So all the customization in PowerPoint with basic templates can be done here in this variants section. So now we are moving on to the background formatting options, which can all be selected here via this button, Format Background. And this allows you to really customize your background. And this is the thing I've mentioned before. We are now going from the basic templates more into the individual customization. And this is the area where you can really set your own design of the template. So before we start with this, I'm going to set the template back to white, to normal. So what you can do here is set a solid fill as a background. This means we have now set the white color. This is basically all that's set right now, but you can easily change it here to, let's say you want to have a light blue color as a background. So this will then only be applied to the first slide, but what you can also do is click apply to all, and all the backgrounds would be changed. The second point here in the list allows you to set a gradient fill, and it gives you really a lot of different options to customize it. Here are some predefined settings, and then later adjusted here. The color of your background slide changes. You can always apply it to all, or you can leave it for one slide only. And this button here allows you to reset the whole background design that you have created here. So now I'm bringing it back to a white slide, and we will continue with the next point, which is the use of a background image. You can go again to Format Background, then simply select Picture or Texture Fill, and now you have the option to choose from a file from your computer, or you can also select this one to search pictures online. So I've now typed in nature, and you see you can select your favorite picture here, and it will directly connect you to the Bing search engine. Select your favorite image and then click insert, and you will have it on your slide as a background. And whenever I'm inserting a new slide, it will automatically be updated to the design that you have chosen.